Okay, see? I'm fine.
Move.
What?
Move. If you're fine, then move.
You know, Dan, watching you try to be nice is like watching a baby smoke a cigarette. It's kind of cool, but also very disturbing.
That's something I need to know about. Yeah, cold lamb sandwiches. Everything reminds me of her. One day she didn't feel well, the next day she was gone.
So you just film yourself and then send it, and then you wait and see if they'll pick you?
Hey!
I wish. It's not for me, it's for my granny in the woods. Please.
Do you think it's a test? Like, maybe one of us is supposed to eat it, or we eat it together, or maybe it's a test to see how long we can go without eating it.